what he called us to do.
It's not
part of God's will
for
us to go and not go.
The
Lord wants us to go and go. And when we go, we have to go. And when we go, we have to go far. In every aspect of life, we have to go far. We have to go a distance that you never retrieve us back to yourself. Tugenda genda olugendo nga notulaba tokyatulaba nga notulengera tokyatulengera tukomyawo nga tokyayinza tukomyawo bino byotugamba mutugende naye tetugenda wala onoonyawo onootukomezaawo onoonyawo wetugenda obere ng'okyatulengera nga woyagalira wotukomezaawo ebyo tubiganye bwe tugenda ffe tugendera ddala wala.
We are going to travel a distance where you cannot retrieve us back into slavery. We shall go far from you where you cannot even access us. Say, I'm going and I'm going far. Go far, let them forget about you in the shrine. Go far, let the witch doctor even forget about you. If possible, you can even change your phone number.
Era kankuwereze ne ka video akalaganga ebintu byombi okyo okumanya nabyocha nkwedde ne ka video kako.
Tell the witch doctor I'm gone. Yes, you performed some rituals against me, but even whatever you gave me, I burnt it. This is the video that I burnt whatever you gave me.
Osubira ogamba nti amina.
Come on, say amen.